Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how I can create custom sticker with AI in CapCut. Okay, here I have created a project in my CapCut application, and if you want to create custom sticker, we have to click on the sticker button right here, and we can click on AI sticker. Okay, and here you can type the description of the sticker you want to generate or you want to create. And for example, I'm going to type white cat. Okay, and after you are done typing the description, you can click on generate right here and just wait for a moment. Okay, and these are the result, guys. If you are not satisfied with the result, you can click on regenerate. You can also modify the description by tapping on the modify option. And for me, I'm just going to select the sticker. I'm going to select this one. Okay, click on the sticker you would like to add to your video and click on add. Okay, and wait for a moment. Right, and now as you can see that the sticker, the custom sticker has been added to my video. And click on this check mark button. And I guess that's how we can create custom sticker with AI in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.